With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that an artificial satellite of Earth releases a packet. If air resistance is neglected, then the point where air packet will hit will be. So basically there is no air resistance. So what is happening over here is that there is a satellite. Okay. So means let's suppose this is the Earth, and there is a satellite over here. Okay, means there is a satellite over here, let's suppose. Okay. So if this satellite, what does it do? Basically it leaves a packet. Okay, means it drops a packet. So what will happen? Basically this satellite, what it does, it is that it revolves around the Earth. Okay, revolves around the Earth. Okay, that means what? This satellite has a velocity. Okay, it has a velocity v, let's suppose. And what does this v do? Basically this v, firstly let's remove this package firstly, okay, and just see about the satellite right now. Okay, so this v, what will happen, since it is undergoing a circular motion, you can clearly see over here this is a circular motion. Okay, so what will happen over here, there will be forces, that is centrifugal force mv square by r, and there will be a gravitational force. Okay, let's see, let's suppose we name it Fg. Okay, force due to gravity. And over here what will happen, it will execute circular motion, and since it is a satellite, Fg must be equal to mv square by r. Okay, mv square by r. Okay, r is the radius, okay, at which the satellite is there. So if we release a packet from here, that means what? The packet will also have same velocity. Okay, that's quite understood that the packet will also have same velocity. That means what? Over here you might be thinking that this m is different. Okay, but if you see that m is different for both the cases, means for the case we see the satellite, m is the mass of satellite, but for the packet, if we see, m is the mass of the packet. Okay, so if we see about the packet, when the packet is released, okay, let's suppose this is the packet now. Okay, so the packet will also move with a velocity v. Okay, why? Because it is just released. Okay, so it will have the velocity same as that of the satellite. So packet will also have a force due to gravity, and also mv square by r. Over here m is the mass of the packet. Okay, so if you see over here, Fg will also be equal to mv square upon r. So that means what? Why is this happening? Because the packet was just released from the satellite. That means what? It will also have the velocity v. Okay, that means what? The packet will never reach Earth. The packet will never reach Earth. Why is it so? Because it will start revolving. Okay, never reach Earth, because the centrifugal force and force due to Earth is basically balanced. So this will undergo a circular motion. Okay, this will undergo a circular motion. Got it? So due to this only, this packet will never reach Earth. That means what? Our answer will be option number D, that it will never reach Earth. Got it? This is basically our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.